Hey guys, look what one of our brand partners sent me free for review. It's a sump pump, and we live in Florida, and my biggest fear is that we get a little flooding, and this is what you want. Or if you want to drain your pool, or if you have like a garden pond and you want to circulate the water. Let's open this up and see what's in it. Let's put this together, see what happens. There's that. This is an attachment for the garden hose right here. The female part of the garden hose goes on this, and you can just attach that right there. All right, guys, so I got the sump pump out here. Got some electricity run to it. You want to keep this away from water. And it's not going, as you can hear now, right? Because the float's not up. Now you can hear it running. That's how that works.
That's cool.
Yeah, so you don't have to stick around, turn off the sump pump, and it won't burn out, right? So let's stick it in the water here. Everything's right.
Oh!
There you go. Look at the power on that. That'll get water out of your system really quick. And then when that thing falls, you can use these, of course, if you got water in your basement or water in your house. Use it in a pond to direct it. I'm going to so you can see I'm pulling water from the pump. It's going out through the hose. That's a great rate to like take water that's in a house and move it. Super easy to set up. And then of course, when this float drops to the bottom because you're done, it stops so you don't burn out your motor. One more time, let's demonstrate that. Put it back down. I take a couple. Now the float goes up. And here we go. Great product. Just didn't want to thank my one of our brand sponsors for sending it to me for free, man. Who doesn't like free stuff? And we got hurricane season coming up, so this is a godsend. I'd highly recommend this for any sort of water project you've got. Another detail about this nice little sump pump, water pump, is that it comes with a carrying bag. So, and it's breathable mesh. There you go. For all your flooding and water pond and pump needs.